Subaru Steve here at RK Subaru with today's feature and benefit. And today I want to talk about the 2018 Subaru Crosstrex adjustable cargo floorboard. What is that, you say? Well, number one, you're going to see two little divot points here. Not sure exactly what they're called yet in Subaru terminology, but what they're designed to do is if you have a heavy bag and you're trying, instead of lifting it up and out, you can set this and adjust this accordingly. This floorboard will mount right here. These two little tabs go in there, which gives us more of a slide up, slide out feature. So if you have a heavy bag, it's easier just to pull that up and out. Not only that, you can take your cargo cover, spin it around, put this up, put this inside, and again, put these little tabs in there, which raises that, makes it easier to put heavy cargo in and take it out as well. For that and other features and benefits, look for me at SubaruSteve.com or pick up the phone in the 757 and dial 793-6656. And remember, whatever you do, that's right. Do it in a Subaru. That's part of the car, right? No, turn it. Well, you gotta go horizontal.
You can't see anything. You can't see your head.
Well, adjust the phone a little bit. Well, there you go. You can tilt the phone too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you tilt the phone, you can get right.
There you go.
Is there really?
No, really.
Okay. Ready? It's filming. Subaru Steve here today with a feature and benefit that a lot of people don't know they have in the 2018 Crosstrek. And that feature and benefits, adjustable cargo area floor, adjustable area floorboard. Okay, we'll start over. Adjustable area cargo. All right, ready? Subaru Steve here at Are you done? Yes, over there? Did you do that? Okay, over here.
I'm trying to save myself.
I said, all right, ready? Come on now, get it together.